Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Deepak Kumar and today we are going to discuss question number 2160. The question name is minimum sum of 4-digit number after splitting the digits. So basically in this question, we have given a number num which consists of 4 digits. Let's say num1, num2, num3 and num4. And now we have to split that number into two new integers and then we have to conclude a summation of those two numbers and then we have to return the smallest of those. Like here in example, the number is 2932. Let me show you by example. Now, now num is 2932. So the combination of num1 and num2 can be either 29 plus 23 or it can be 92 plus 32 plus or 2 plus 932 or 9 plus 232. And there are many more possibilities. So now we have to return the smallest sum. So what will be the smallest sum here possible? As you can think, if I am going to take three numbers, three digits in a number and one digit in the second one, then the summation will always go up for more than 100. There will be very less possibility that it will be under in two digits. Like for example, the examples we were seeing, if I break it into something like 232 plus 9 or 932 plus 2, then it's going above 200 plus. But if we are going to break it into two digits like 23 plus 92 or 32 plus 29, then it will be much smaller. So first of all, we know that we have to break them into the pair of two, and now we have to arrange them so that we can get the minimum of that sum. So basically, what the number we need is 29 plus 23 here in this case. And the sum here will be minimum, which is 52. As you can as you can see in the example here, that 2932 has output 52 as is the summation minimum summation, where the pair is 29 and 23. So let's get back to example. Now I guess you have understood what the question has. Now let's discuss our approach. So what we are going to do is, while my number is anything like digit 1, digit 2, digit 3, and digit 4, it has its constituents. Then we will separate them using while loop. Then we will use sort and will gain two smallest or two minimum numbers or digits. Like in this case of 2932, the two smallest numbers are 2 and 2, as 9 and 3 are both are greater than 2. And we will use those two numbers in the tens place for each number, which means either the number can be 2 plus the largest third digit, largest third, or largest fourth. And second number will be again 2 plus largest third, which one is left. Either it can be largest third or largest fourth. It might seem that in this case, the whichever we choose makes no sense. In this case, it might look that it is the only case where we have the options, but it isn't true. We will have options in every condition. Like for example, if we are taking 4, 2, 3, and 8, then 2 and 3 will be smallest. Then we can make 24 plus 38 or 28 plus 34. Both will have the same sum. So now I guess you got my approach that we will take the two smallest number, put them in at the tens digit, and will add the larger one at their ones, and then we return the sum. So let me show you an example first. For an example, my num is going to be 5478. Then my digit 1 will be 5, digit 2 will be 4, digit 3 will be 7, and digit 4 will be 8. And now for that, my num 1 will be either we will take 4 or 5. So let's try go with 4, and then we will add at 10th place, then add 8 at 1st place. And for num 2, we will be having option for 5 and 7 at 10th and 1st place respectively. So my sum will be 105 in this case, which is the smallest possible. So now I guess you got my approach. So let's go for the code and we'll see there. Now let's write the code. First we will declare a vector of integer. Let's say its name is digit. And now we will use a while loop where my num is should be greater than 0 as my condition. We will store the last digit here. Then we will push back that number. And then we will update that given number. And now we are going to sort and now we are going to sort the array as per our requirements. And now we are going to return num0, oh sorry, digit 0 into 10 plus digit of 3. It will form my first index, the first number, and then digits of 2 plus digits of 1 into 10. It will form my second number, and then we will return the smallest one. Now let's try checking the test cases given here. As you can see, all the test cases given here have been cleared. So let's add some of our own. I will add the smallest and the largest number possible too. And now let's run those test cases. As you can see, all the test cases that I have prepared have been cleared too. Now see, I had taken this one in my example. My output was 105 and expected was 105 too. In this input 1000, I will take 1, 0 and 1 as my first number and 0, 0 for second number. And then summation will be my 1 because 1 plus 0 is always 1. In this case, if I had taken 3 digits at once and second one at with 1 digit, it might form 999 plus 9, which will go for 1008. But if we took two digits in a number, then it went to 198 only, which is almost 5 times lesser than the 3 plus 1 combination. So now let's submit the code. As you can see, all the test cases given in the LeetCode have been cleared with the time complexity of O1 and space complexity of n, or actually 1, because space complexity is 6 which will take 4. My time complexity is also fixed for 4. This one is also fixed for 4 log 4. And since all these are constants, we will go for O1 time complexity and space complexity. So this is all for today. If you like my approach, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, share the video, and comment down your thoughts. Thank you for watching.